Former House Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez will finally have the time and place to exhaustively explain how his on-treaty or plea to the military to withdraw support to their commander-in-chief does not rise to the level of inciting to sedition. Armela Las Moras on Alvarez to be put on the hot seat and judged by the wisdom of his peers.
House Committee on Ethics and Privileges Vice Chair Jill Bongalon firmly stated today that there is no politics involved in their decision to investigate the complaint filed against Davao del Norte 1st District Representative Pantaleon Alvarez. Alvarez is a staunch ally of former President Rodrigo Duterte, who's now opposing several policies of the administration.
Gusto ko lang po linawin that this complaint started because a case was filed against him. So the Committee on Ethics has to act on the complaint filed. So wala akong politika ho dito. Nagkataon po na inirereklamo ang ating pong kasamahan sa Kongreso ngayon, and the committee has to act on it.
Yesterday, following its initial deliberation, the Ethics Committee has acquired the jurisdiction over the complaint against Alvarez as they found it sufficient in form and substance. The complaint was filed by Tagum City Mayor Ray Uy, among others. Congressman Bongalan said one of the grounds used in the complaint was the alleged seditious remarks made by Congressman Alvarez against the administration recently, when he called on the members of the AFP to withdraw their support from President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
There are three grounds na kung saan nakabatay po yung complaint filed against Congressman Alvarez. Number one is the absences. Number two, the libelous utterances or statements made by Congressman Alvarez against his public officials in Davao del Norte, including Special Assistant to the President, Lagdameo. And number three, the seditious remarks or utterances made by Congressman Alvarez in one of the public rally in Davao del Norte.
Meanwhile, another member of Ethics Committee, Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel, assured a thorough discussion of the allegations and due process to be afforded Alvarez.
On one hand, gusto natin naman, di kung meron naman talagang nagkakasala, di kung ano man yung karampatang parusa, ganyan, ay mangyari yon. Pero ayaw din naman natin na yung mga kaso sa Committee on Ethics ay nagagamit din sa pamumulitika laban sa kung sino man yung nakikitang karibal. So gusto lang natin yung tamang proseso lang.
In a text message, Alvarez said he submits himself to the wisdom and best judgment of the Ethics Committee. But earlier, he defended himself against various allegations thrown against him. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.